Laurel wilt is rapidly spreading throughout the southeast, threatening red bay and other plants in the laurel family, as well as the global avocado industry. The threatened loss of red bay will have devastating impacts on plants, animals, and the coastal plain ecosystem in the southeastern US. Laurel wilt is a plant disease caused by a fungus and is spread by tiny ambrosia beetles. You won't see the fungus or the tiny beetles, but you may see the following signs and symptoms of this disease. Leaves initially wilt and become discolored, progressing from light tan to brown, and remain on the tree for a year or more. If bark is removed, infected plants reveal dark, streaked discoloration on the sapwood. This is the red bay ambrosia beetle. It feeds on the laurel wilt fungus and carries it to other host plants, which spreads the disease. The beetles are very tiny. Their tunneling sometimes leaves behind tiny sawdust tubes. Here, the bark is removed, showing discoloration at their tiny exit holes. The symptoms in this video are indicative of laurel wilt, but can also be caused by other factors. Additionally, ambrosia beetles can be difficult to identify. A specialist should be consulted for positive identification of adults and larvae which appear suspicious. Know the host's signs and symptoms of laurel wilt and report suspect plants to your local extension office. We need your help to protect our plant resources. Become a first detector. Learn more at firstdetector.org.